Good morning, Voyagers. Going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is the 21st of December, 2018. Our weather, the high temperature is right now 38 degrees, low temperature tonight of 29 degrees. 100% chance of rain or snow right now. It does decrease as the day goes on, but it might get a little bit slick and nasty, so make sure you're careful as you walk home. We talked about being safe this week in the restroom. That means hands and feet to ourselves, reporting problems to a teacher. Being responsible is using and then flushing the toilets, washing your hands and drying them. Again, best way to stay healthy is making sure you have clean hands. Also, don't stick your hands in your mouth. It's pretty gross. A lot of bacteria on there. Like right now, I'm touching my desk. Who knows what's on this desk. And then respect, allow other people their privacy when they're using the restroom, take turns, and then also be as quick as possible in that restroom. Staff announcements, we got all kinds of specials canceled, unfortunately. Today we have to cancel art, Mr. Sawden's PE, and our technology class. I hope you guys had a good time with our holiday spirit week. You guys had some awesome ugly Christmas sweaters. You guys did fantastic with flannel and plaid. Holiday headwear was awesome, even though I forgot mine. And then red and green yesterday was all over the place. Today I told you guys I got something special for you. I don't know if you can really see it in the video or not, but this thing lights up. I'll be around the classrooms later today. I have something for you guys, one of my favorite things and one of my favorite holiday traditions I'm going to share with you guys. So hopefully you guys have some fun today on Pajama Day. All right, lunch today, we're looking at chicken quesadillas, salsa, green beans, crunchy baby carrots, applesauce. Tomorrow, we're not serving you lunch until the 7th, so you're on your own for lunch tomorrow. Announcements, we don't have any, so just bye. Enjoy your holiday break. Our Pledge of Allegiance, here we go. If you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance at this time. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our morning announcements. Even though it's the last day, we got to make sure we're doing things the Voyager way all the time, even until we get home this afternoon. Have a really enjoyable break. I know you guys will. And we look forward to seeing you back here on the 7th. As always, go Voyagers.